Hi students, and welcome to week 10 in your online general psychology course. I hope you are getting back in the swing of things. I know taking a week off for spring break kind of causes us to need to reset when we come back. So hopefully you're kind of back in rhythm here, enjoying the nice weather and ready to finish out the rest of the semester. Before I go into what we're doing this week, I do want to let you know that registration for the summer has begun. So if you're thinking about taking summer classes, you might want to go ahead and make sure you're looking at the schedule and getting registered, with fall not being too far behind for registration purposes. So this week, before I talk about Chapter 8 and the assignments, I want to remind you that we do have a midterm exam for this class. It's over chapters 1 through 7, and it is due on March 31st. It is, very similar to the quizzes that you took for each chapter, just a combination of all of those put together. So you're familiar with the process of it. It's just longer because it's 7 chapters. I would say that reviewing your previous quizzes for chapters 1 through 7 is the best way to prep yourself for the midterm exam. So don't forget, that's not a Sunday. I don't have that date in front of me. Sorry, I thought I did. I believe it's a Wednesday, but let me double check that for you real quick right here. Oops, a Thursday. So it's due on Thursday of this week. All right. So let's go into week 10, chapter 8 here. So chapter 8 is overthinking intelligence and language. So this chapter will really introduce you to the theories on intelligence. You'll learn some of the major names used in intelligence testing, like Wechsler and the Stanford-Binet, and how IQ is calculated and what it really means. In addition, we'll also learn about language acquisition, how humans develop vocabulary, and some comparison across different cultures. So it's an interesting chapter, kind of puts together, I think, very nicely what we've just been learning about with the chapter on learning before spring break. And then, of course, the past week on memory kind of puts it together for you. So in your module, you have the PowerPoint for chapter 8. There are 3 Connect assignments I want you to work on this week: levels of processing, critical thinking and metacognition, and a newsflash assignment on bilingualism. And then your chapter 8 post-test. So just a reminder, these 3 Connect assignments plus the post-test, but don't forget about that midterm that is due on Thursday, March 31st. These others are due on April 3rd, which is a Sunday. Have a great week. Take care of yourselves. And as we ease on here into April, just know how fast the semester is going to go from this point forward. So take care, everybody, and please let me know if you have any questions.